One of my favorite tools to draw process maps, Decisuals, or other visuals that help enable some of the screen-to-screen conversations is a tool called Graphio. And right now you're looking at it. Right now you can see that these are different images that are inserted in with the iPad, the logo, and specific text. And even if I were to back out, you could see that I have a lot of different options to be able to create some of these visuals. So if I finish creating the visual, I can save it to my camera roll, which is where we want to store a lot of our visuals for our screen-to-screen conversations. So then what we can do is use one of our favorite iPad apps called Dociri. And so if we've saved that image into our Dociri iPad app, we can then insert it right into the screen as you see here. Now what I can do is I can kind of move it in, I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller, and sometimes if you have images you might potentially want to resize. So for the purposes of this specific visual, we're going to actually add it and maybe even customize it for an Instagram type of message. So let's say if we say that this is the right place we want, I would probably add in some text here to say which skills will you use? Just with a little question mark, and then you can see my image of me, which is the logo or the watermark that's already saved into the application, will save there. So what I'll do is I'm actually going to save this as a current image inside of my Dociri iPad app, and I'm going to click this little button, which you can't see on the screen share, but that's one of the videos that we'll create for another date, is we've actually created an image of how it appears there. Now, if we go to the Instagram app, and then we're going to upload this visual, you can see that this is the visual. I'm actually going to resize it so that it appears right in the center. So it has not just the visual, it has the watermark at the image of myself in front of the iPad, and then also for the message. So if I click next, that's the image that I want. I'll click next again. I'll tap on the Twitter, and then I'll ask out real quick, which skill sets will you master next from your iPad? So if that looks good to you, that looks good to me. I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to share it. And now that image just got posted, not just to Instagram, but it also got posted to my Twitter account.